Next is best home loans, best bank for home loans. Searches are equivalent, competition is high. So it's a straightforward no. Because of the caliber of the keyword, we have seen it like, seems like it's a very high competition. Next, searches are low, competition is super low. Okay, it's a growing keyword, medium, and I would say a yes. Next, best home loan, uh, searches are low, competition is quite high, stable, medium, straightforward, no. Home interest loan 2019, searches are good, competition is super high, growing, medium, no. There is one more reason to select this keyword as no, because in future, this keyword will drop or this keyword will escape because it is about an year. Similarly, about this keyword, which we have selected also, which will drop out very soon in the future. Okay,
But
then is low.
people will start using this same keyword with 2020 from this year. No?
Yeah, but till the time it you will rank on 20, you till the time the searches grows on 20, will this keyword will be vanished. Okay. Next is low interest rate home loans. Searches are quite low. Competition is also low. Stable, medium. Maybe no. We missed one keyword. Apply for home loan. Searches are good. Competition is super high. Growing keyword. Highest monetary value. So I'm keeping it in maybe. Renovation home loan. Searches are low. Competition is good. And if my monetary value is zero, so I will ignore it. Uh, Lowest home loan rate, searches are low, competition is also low. Okay, and when I kept it monetary value high, so I will keep it in maybe. Then Bank of India, it's we should have deleted that keyword. It's again a brand keyword. Okay, so we should simply say no. We missed it. Bank home loan interest rate searches are good, competition is good, monetary value is high, so let's keep it. Home credit cash loan, I'm not sure. It's a relevant keyword for this, so I'm writing no. Okay. Home loan bank, home loan bank, good searches, competition, everything is high. This is not a high, how should I say, high monetary value. It's a low monetary value.
Should be
I
low.
haven't checked. Yeah. Best home loans is high. Apply could be high. Cheapest should be high. Home loan top up is high because this is a very specific keyword, which a lot of people doesn't know. Home construction loan is low. Home loan for women is low. Best home loan we can keep in medium. Construction home loan low. Online home loan high. Home finance low. And home improvement loans, I'm keeping it in medium. Okay, maybe some values in the top are also incorrect, so not sure. So it's a straightforward no, as the monetary value is not good, competition is super high, and searches are in comparison to other keywords is low. Competition is super high, so we can keep it in maybe, but it's a high value keyword. Searches are good, again growing, able, maybe. Cheapest home loan searches dropped out. Look at the competition over here. It's super low. I really doubt this is the case. Okay, give me a second. Cheapest home loan can't have that. Oh my God, somebody has written a wrong value. 508. We may select it. I would keep it as a yes. Home top up loan competition is high. So maybe I'm keeping in home construction low. Everything is against it. So a no. It's again competition, searches. Everything is not in favor. Best home loan interest rate, searches are good. Decreasing, medium, no. Construction loan, low, no. Home, online home loan, maybe. Home improvement, home finance, no, definitely. Medium improvement loans, definitely no. Okay, now let's arrange the selection of keywords. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so these are the set of keywords left with us, and I can see 5 yes also. So this could be the final selection also, but we can look at maybe as well. Okay, now still the selection is not final. The no ones we have completely ignored. Now out of these, I don't know how many keywords are these. 16 keywords. We can go ahead and again start the reselection process. Uh, if you look at this keyword, okay, in comparison to search selected keywords, the number of searches of this keyword is really super high. Okay, if you look at the combined score of all the keywords which we have selected, has total number of searches around 50,000. Okay, but this keyword itself in a single one has 90,000 searches. Okay, competition is not super high in comparison to the keywords if we look at. Okay, we have selected keywords which are close to it. So we can select such a keyword if the search volume is that high. So we will select first two keywords on two bases. The first is number of monthly searches are super huge, almost 10 to 12 times, and their competition against the keyword which we have selected also is not that high. And at the same time, their monetary values, one of them has a medium, another one has a low. Okay. Then next, few others we can always look at is now whenever you are looking at these set of keywords is you have to look at the monetary value. Most of the times your Google trend is stable, so I don't give a lot of importance to it. So in that you have high search and high monetary value and low competition, because searches of these set of keywords is almost similar. 1300 to 1600 is almost considered as similar. So if you look at this keyword, which has a high monetary value, searches are good, competition is low. So I'm selecting it as yes. We will shortlist again. Okay. And the other keywords, if you look at, have high values, searches are good, but their competition is also really high. So we can keep this keyword, which is like really less value. Others are super high, so we will ignore the super high value keyword. Same over here also. The competition is super high in comparison to the amount of searches. Same here and same here also. So now we will bring down our solution to just only the yes said keywords. So now we have around 9 keywords out of 16. So now out of these, we have to select the 5 keywords. Now, the thing which you are talking about, Aditya, earlier, and you stopped me in between, that plays a role here now. Home loans, if you look at some keyword is the extension of it. Let's say this home loan interest rate, all bank home loan interest rate, all banks 2019. Okay, so you will say no to 2019 uh, for a simple reason that it is extension. The monthly searches are lower also. Competition is just double, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so one keyword you have identified that you will not go ahead with, and then
In fact, home loan, the
lowest.
first one, home loans is
Sorry?
also everywhere. The first keyword, home loans, that is written almost everywhere.
Yeah, I will come to that. When you talk about a very short keyword, I will come to that. Okay, next is bank home loan interest rate or lowest home loan rate. A very similar keyword to it.
I think this lowest, the 7 and 29.
So you are saying 7th and 29th. Lowest home loan rates and lowest home loan interest rate. Okay.
I mean, lowest home loan is common here. Actually.
Yeah. It's common, but interest rate is, I'm just talking about extensions if you are adding a suffix or prefix primarily. Okay. So in that case, it doesn't fit over here as such. There is no keyword which is just extension of the keyword. Now, second level comes is jumbling up of keywords. Two keywords which are jumbled up uh, and are very similar, like what you said, the third one, home loan interest rate and lowest home loan interest rate. Okay, so we will select either of them as uh, maybe. So the one which has high searches will, and which has huge searches, almost 10 times. So we will keep that. Okay. And the other one we will remove. Okay. Now we are left with how many? It's a really tough. Okay. Now we are left with 7. Okay. Now we have to remove now 2 keywords. Okay. Now, in these cases, what happens is when you are left with 7 keywords, which you are saying are each one of them is really important, then you do a relative comparison. You find out which is definitely you are going to work. Definitely
What
you are
about
going to use this. You are going to use this. You are going to use this and this primarily.
third and
Okay.
eighth is also jumbled up. No? Third and eighth.
Third and eighth. Yeah, a kind of. So we can ignore, very correct. We can ignore it. Okay. So we are left with now 6. We have to remove 1. That the easiest way of removing it would be selecting a keyword which has quite good searches.
I think cheapest home loan could be. Very
It
low
can
success.
be, maybe.
Plus, I don't know what is home credit loans. Home credit loans. I don't know why people are searching a lot of home credit loans. I don't know what is that.
Okay. Let's see whenever you are not sure. Home credit personal loan. In this case, our tasks become easier. This is not a relevant keyword. You will delete that row and you are left with your 5 keywords. Now look at this. Some of the keywords are highly competitive, but we still selected because of one of the prime reason their average monthly searches, their trends were stable, and their monetary value in one case is really good. That is medium. Okay, so this is how a relative comparison is done, and this is how you always evaluate. This is for one single, uh, how should I say? This is for one single product. We did it. Similarly, you have to do it for all the products. You have some common pages. Also, you have to do this detailed analysis. Now, any question anyone has on this?
Just one question I had, and I'm forgetting.
Yeah.
Initially, we had removed the bank names, the brand names. Why did we do that? I mean,
Because we can create specific bank pages.
Achha. So that
Anyone
task has
has
to be done.
any doubt in this?